Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to pull the layers back and dig deeper so we can find out the actual owner of a LLC who owns a property. Now, this is an advanced strategy and I'm going to get right into it. When you're going through your list, there's a strong possibility that you're going to come across a situation just like this. Okay, what's the situation? The owner's name is actually a LLC, right? The mailing address, we got that. The premises address is 3511 Oakmont Avenue. That was on our list. We put it in. This is what we got. This isn't good enough. I'm going to show you guys how to dig deeper and get an actual name on this owner. This is an advanced strategy. All right, so let's go right on in. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. And in Maryland, we're going to look this up. Business entity search in Maryland. This is the website we're going to be looking for. Business entity search maryland.gov. You're going to click that. It's going to bring you here. It says business name. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the actual business name, put it into business name here on this website, and then click search. Now what's going to happen, you're going to see this drop down row right here. It's going to give you some information about the business. You want to be here where it says view business details. Click that. Boom. When you click that, look what it does. It gives us the business name. It gives us the principal office, right? It gives us the resident agent, an actual name. You see, when I'm doing business, when you're pulling property, to get the LLC is good, but we want to pull that LLC back and we want to find out who owns the LLC or who's the resident agent. We want to be able to talk to a person. We want to call them by their name. How you doing, Mr. Antonio? Hey, look, you got a property over at 3511 Oakmont. We just wanted to know if you were interested in selling that property to us cash, right? Instead of calling somebody and saying, hey, can I speak to the owners of 3511 Oakmont Avenue or Oakmont LLC? You see the difference? When we do our research, we're more powerful. So this is how you find the actual resident agent or the owner of a LLC. But guess what, guys? I'm going to go deeper. If you go to click here where it says filing history, you see this. You want to go to articles of organization. Now watch this. Click articles of organization. Boom. You see how that pops up? You're going to click that. This is the actual document that was filed for this LLC. See, this is an advanced strategy that a lot of investors in my town aren't utilizing. They don't know. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this so you can be thorough when you're looking up information. That's how we do deals. And that's how we stay afloat. This is how this company is going to flourish because we're going to go the extra mile. All right, let me get down off my soapbox. Okay, this is the actual articles of organization that was formed by this LLC. Okay, so if you continue to scroll down, you'll see the guy Antonio Almanetta, right? And he's the resident agent, and this is his actual address, his office, or where he lives. So we can actually put this hit this name and this number into our search files into our Intellis account, and then we can get a phone number for this guy and actually speak with Mr. Antonio. So guys, this is an advanced strategy on how you find the owners of LLCs when you come across a situation like this when the owner's name is a LLC. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, contact your supervisor or your management or leave a description or leave a comment in the comment box and we'll get back with you. Thanks a lot.